Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. I decided to do like 5 to 6 mods at the same time and upload them pretty much individually. But because I'm going to be doing quite a few little things in the same area, I figured might as well just do it all at once, but try to split it up into different videos. I think it would be better this way because otherwise I'll have to pretty much take apart everything on top 5 to 6 times. And that'd be kind of, I think that'd be kind of stupid. So it's gonna take me a while to do all that, but I'm gonna do the best I can to pretty much get all the videos done, and then I'm gonna try to pretty much edit each video and then get it uploaded as I go. Now in this video I'm gonna be installing a boost gauge to see what my truck has as far as boost goes, because I want to do the up pipes and they are leaking in the back. If you guys saw any of my previous videos, I showed that there's a kind of a black soot building up in the back there. So before I start any of that work, I want to install the boost gauge and see what boost we're getting on the truck right now. And then other mods I'm going to be doing are up pipes from riffraff, oil crossover from riffraff. I'm going to be also doing a quarter mod that's going to be underneath the valve covers. I'm going to clean the engine valley as much as possible because I think there's some rats that used to live in there when this truck was on a farm before I got it. And also I'm going to be updating the plenums from riffraff as well, and they sit underneath here on both sides, and then they connect to the pipes and then go to the intercoolers and turbos and all that stuff. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and mount this guy. I'm gonna temporary mount it for now because I'm gonna be removing it anyway, so might as well. And then I'm gonna connect the line that goes right here where we did the AIH delete, and I have a plug in there that I can remove that, and then this will go in there, and then I'll connect it to the gauge. And I'm not gonna do the lights just yet. I'm just gonna basically see what boost I'm getting, and I'm gonna remove all that and then start on doing other things as planned, because all this stuff on top is gonna have to go, well, minus the AC and the alternator. That's probably that can stay, but pretty much all that stuff will have to come out in order for me to reach the up pipes, the plenums, cleaning the valleys the best I can. So yeah, it's gonna be quite a bit of work, but like I said, I'm going to try to break it into 5 to 6 videos, depending on how many mods we're going to be doing. That way it's going to be nice and organized on the channel, and you guys can, let's say if you want to see just one mod, you can just go see that one video instead of 5 to 6 mods all together. Alright, let's install this little gauge and see what boost the truck is running. line, the boost gauge is done. I kind of temporarily just kind of ran the line this way, that way, and through the fender gap right there between the door. And it's not going to get pinched. It basically just kind of sits in there. There's going to be a nice gap in there, so that's good. And then right here, I got the line right here, and it's going to sit right there, and it's going to be, for now, it's going to be perfect. I put some double-sided tape on the bottom and the side, and it's not really going to go anywhere. So now we can go for a little test drive and see what boost we're getting. Here we go, the booster. Alright, so the gauge is working pretty good, everything's good. Seems like my top boost on first gear is about 15, and second it's getting up to about 17, 18, and third gear also about 17, 18. Let me see if I can do another pull really quick in third. Alright, this is in third. Yeah, so we get about, I want to say, what, 18 tops? About 18. I think that's our maximum that I've seen so far. Let me try one in a second. Yeah, it's about the same. So about, I want to say 18. 18 is the top. 18 is about the maximum boost that I got. So that works. We know our max boost right now. And then now we can get on doing other mods. So we know our max boost now, and then we can get on other things and see what we can improve. And see if, I'm wondering if the up pipes are gonna improve anything, because they were leaking, so. And then also the plenums. That's going to improve with the airflow a little bit as well. And then maybe oil crossover line, who knows? That might help with something as well. Easier acceleration maybe, I don't know. Because the fuel injectors are going to get more oil. They're going to operate a little better. So we'll see. Alright guys, so that'd be it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, because we're going to have a bunch of other mods coming up. And we'll see you on the next one. See ya!